The Highland Towers, a tragedy that struck on the 11th of December 1993 due to breaches in ethics and principles in the engineering field, claiming 48 lives. The Block A of Highland Towers collapsed as a landslide of approximately 100,000 cubic meters of mud rammed into the foundation of the tower, pushing it forward and snapping its foundation and causing its collapse.
The Highland Towers tragedy primarily involved structural failures, but environmental issues also played major roles which led to the collapse. One of the environmental issues is soil erosion. Poor soil stability due to erosion caused by deforestation, improper land use practices, or heavy rainfall can weaken the foundation of buildings, making them more susceptible to collapse. Besides that, groundwater fluctuations would have also contributed to the tragedy. Changes in groundwater levels, whether due to over-extraction, heavy rainfall, or nearby construction activities, can affect the stability of building foundations. Excessive groundwater can cause soil liquefaction, leading to structural failure. Finally, exposure to environmental elements such as moisture, salt, and pollutants can lead to corrosion of building materials. This weakens the structural integrity over time and increasing the risk of collapse, particularly in coastal or industrial areas.
The collapse of the Highland Tower costed the lives of many people and caused grievance to many of the victims' friends and families, which is an effect on the individual level. However, such incidents would lower community attachment, which will lower the community's satisfaction in living in the area. This will lead to the people losing trust in the government, engineers and professionals, which is detrimental to the professional and local community in the long run, as the reputation of the engineers in Malaysia will degrade and will lead to the lowering of professional standards even further. Lowering in trust in government can lead to public dissent, leading to disunity and more crimes. Education also plays a big role. The cause of this disaster is due to the engineers' negligence. This is mainly due to corruption and unethical practices in the professional field, which has its roots in poor education when young. An education system that fails to correctly teach and demonstrate moral and ethical practices in school and in the engineering program may have caused this incident. Other social issues also stem from moral and ethical issues due to poor education.
To prevent tragedies like the Highland Towers incident, we must adhere to professional ethics principles, comprehensive soil stabilization techniques, and corrosion-resistant materials ensure structural integrity. Regular inspections and timely repairs maintain safety. Transparent communication rebuilds trust, while strengthening regulatory frameworks enforces compliance and penalizes breaches. Educating the public on ethical practices fosters accountability. Together, let's prioritize safety, uphold standards, and safeguard lives.